Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today I want to talk to you about how to determine if you need to hire somebody else for your pet business. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. This is Kevin Shriver from Your Pet Business Now. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch these videos. If they are valuable to you, please make sure to like, comment, share. If you want to subscribe, get more videos, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified as new videos come up. Today I want to talk to you about some things to be thinking about to determine when you should be hiring new people to join your pet business. So for example, if you're in the startup phase of your business, you understand that you've got this point where you're just doing so much work. Every single activity that you do is because of you. Every activity that gets done is because of you. This is normal. You need to push through this. You need to understand all the basic activities. Now, the concept I want you to think of to grow is to think about offense and defense. Offensive activities are all the activities that you can do or that get done in your business that bring you more business. Advertising, talking to new clients, asking for referrals, emailing clients, asking for reviews, all these things. And then the other side of it are defensive activities. These are the activities that do not make you revenue necessarily, but they preserve the revenue that you have and provide that foundational base for your business. Here's the deal. You want to add somebody into your business if you know, or if you figure out that you can either take away defensive activities from yourself so that you can focus on more offensive stuff, or you hire somebody to do offensive stuff so that you can focus on more defensive stuff. The idea is to figure out as soon as you can what you are good at, or finding people that are good at certain activities and placing those people in specific areas. So for example, if you're great at talking to people, making videos, asking clients to buy, answering objections about your business, kind of taking on the sales process, you may want to focus more on offensive activities. And if, for example, there are defensive activities such as filling out paperwork, dealing with insurances, answering emails or scheduling, that may not be offensive specifically, you want to outsource those activities, get an assistant, so that you can focus on more offensive activities. The key with hiring somebody is leverage. A lot of times people are concerned about having, do I have enough income to hire somebody? It's about what are my list of activities of things that need to get done. Because if you understand that list of activities that need to get done, taking those activities out of your brain and pushing them onto somebody else, guess what? That frees up energy in your brain so you can start to expand. And you may only pick one activity to start. That's fine, that you outsource. But you get rid of that activity, it frees up time and energy to do other things. And then you start thinking of another activity. And if you do this, you pick one activity a month. Here's a great goal. Pick one activity per month to do, and every single month, push something off of your plate and find someone else to do it. Within a year, you'll have 12 less activities on your plate, and that means you can do 12 more activities, or you can increase the strengths that you are already providing to your pet business. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave a comment below. Thanks as always for watching. This is Kevin Shriver from Your Pet Business Now. I'll talk to y'all soon. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching. If you like the video and you want to see some more great content, make sure to hit the like button. Also hit subscribe to the channel. And there's a little bell there as well. Hit that bell. That'll let you know when new videos and new content is released. Also, if you want to get some more and see some more videos, click right here. I have some links to some other YouTube videos, as well as if you are interested in going deeper in your pet business, click below in the description below. I've got a link to a webinar that I'm hosting. Would love to have you join me on that if you are interested in going deeper in improving your pet business. Thanks so much for watching. Talk to y'all soon.